Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and then tap on Notifications right away. Now select App Settings at the top, click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Finally, you can tap on the green sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. Then switch them back on by hitting the same now gray one. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!